Hello, wonderful listeners. This is Neha, and I'm back with another episode of Rendezvous with Twin Flames. Hope you all are doing well and having a great time. Let's get started and take up today's request. Question for today is: does twin flame be in separation without getting any validation, but know in their heart that their counterpart knows about their love? It would be the most satisfactory part for most of the awakened twin flames when your counterpart is very well aware of the fact that you love them and your love for them can never change. Be it distance, be it a no contact situation, be it any other factor, nothing can change the bond. Yes, distance and separation do add a little more to the pain, but can never reduce the intensity of your love towards them, as you feel them with you always and start accepting your counterpart as your own self. Those of you who have already been on this twin flame journey from quite a while must have understood that separation is an illusion, and Divine brings separation in twin flames so as they can heal their wounds. Wounds that they have given to each other knowingly or unknowingly. This separation feels a real pain in the initial stages of this journey, but once twin flames are awakened on their journey, they understand how this journey operates. They do miss their counterpart every single moment. They might get emotional breakdowns every now and then. However, they will still learn to get over all such issues and move forward with the intense love they hold for their counterpart. Truly speaking, by now they might not need their physical presence even in each other's lives, as there would be an inner knowing that they two can never be separated. Whatever may be the present situation, maybe they don't get any validation from their counterpart, but there is a sense of knowing which keeps them going. It will make them believe that they belong to each other and will be united one day, and things would be the way it is supposed to be. One day they would get all their answers and will be at peace. There would be times when they don't get any validation from the universe or any assurance from their counterpart during the separation phase. Things can still go pretty well, as they can still convey their love with their strong energies, and let me tell you, they will feel the strong energies sent by each other. You should also try sending your love to your counterpart with your high vibrations, and it would give you an immense pleasure. Trust me, this is going to work for you, as love finds its way always. With this, I would like to end today's episode. Hope you have got some insight and it will help you in some way. Thank you for listening to me. See you in the next episode. Till then, stay in love with Rendezvous with Twin Flames. Keep smiling and keep rocking. Ta-ta! Please do like and subscribe. In case you have any questions or if you wish to share your experience with me, you may comment there and I would love to share it with our audience. Thank you again for listening to me. See you soon. Till then, stay in love with Rendezvous with Twin Flames.